Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the G sharp minor chord on the keyboard. First, locate your root note, the G sharp. Place your first finger here. The next note we'll need is the note B. Place your third finger here. Last note we'll need is the D sharp. Play this with your fifth finger. The G sharp minor chord. Now, because the G sharp minor chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or the root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom. To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, the G sharp, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is called G sharp minor chord first inversion. Sorry. To get our next inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord, the B, all the way to the top. This is called G sharp minor second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion moving the D sharp all the way to the top, like this, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, just like the one we started with, only 1 octave higher. And of course you can go the other way. This is the root inversion. To go downwards on the piano, now move the top note of the chord to the bottom. Move your hand. To make one more inversion downwards, move the top note of the chord to the bottom, like this. This is first inversion. And again, move the top note of the chord to the bottom, and you're back at root inversion. Now let's do it one more time. G sharp minor chord, root inversion, first inversion, second inversion, first inversion, root inversion, and starting at root inversion again, moving the top note downwards, second inversion, first inversion, and root inversion. To practice these inversions, simply play like this. Root, first, second, root, root, second, first, and root. And you can also practice these inversions using arpeggios, playing like this. There you have it, the G sharp minor chord. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.